Are you still cutting your video like this? Move, split, move, split, move again, split, and just like that, then you delete. If you cut out your video like this, you are actually wasting a lot of time, because this means that for you to know where to cut out, you need to play the video all through, right? From the beginning to the end. So that is a waste of time. Additionally, your video might be 30 minutes long, 1 hour long. So playing 30 minutes video before you cut your mistake out can actually be a waste of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut your video quick and easy. Even if you make mistake, how to cut it out very fast. The first thing you want to do is to extract the audio from the video. It is the audio that will serve as a guide to help you to edit the video very fast. So tap on the video, slide left until you find this option that says extract audio. Tap on it. Now the audio has been extracted. If you look at the audio very well, which is this bottom here, you'll see something like graph. Can you see it? These things look like graph. It is the audio wave. Now if you go further, you see that there is no audio wave here, which means that this is the part I don't want. Then I will leave this part that have audio wave. Are you getting the point? Now if you go further, you see another audio wave, then come here, you will not see anyone again. So this make it easy for me to edit my video. So instead of to cut and play all through, I'll just put my pointer here, then I'll tap on the video, split, don't move it. When you split the video, don't move it, tap on this audio, split. Then before you move to the next, just put it closer to the next before you start talking. Then tap on the video again, split, tap on the audio, split. So what we want to do here, we cannot delete this audio, then we can delete this video because that is the part I don't want. So the next thing to do is to drag this little by little to meet with the other audio. So you can see now, you can see that there is no space left again for between these two clips, right? So I have edited this place smoothly without playing the video. Then coming to the next, place the pointer here. So tap on the audio, delete, then tap on the video, delete as well. Now let's look for the audio that is left. Remember, it seems that there is nothing left. Just slide until you see it. Yes, this is it. At first, I got confused. I thought that it just got lost until I slide to the left. Right? So now let's long press it and drag. If I have a doubt for the first time, you can play it after you have cut out and edited the video. So you can see it is actually playing smoothly as if there is no mistake. So no one will know if I made mistake anywhere or if I pause anywhere, because there is nothing like silence here. Everywhere is just showing that I am talking and talking. I hope you found this video helpful. Now, if this method doesn't work out for you, I want to show you another method to help you cut out your video faster. So if the first method don't work out for you or you want to try something else, now let's look at the second method. You want to tap on the video, then let's duplicate the video. Slide left until you find the option that says duplicate. Now I've duplicated this video. This is the first one, this is the second one. Let's go to, remember, tap on the second one, Then let's go to overlay. So you can see this is the first video and this is the second video. I have overlaid this video. Now I will long press it and drag to the beginning. So I have video 1 at the up, then video 2 under. The second video will be as a guide to help me to edit the first video. The first video is my main video. The second video is just a guide. The difference between this method and the first one is that in the first method, when you split, you keep dragging. But in this method, when you split, you don't drag. So let's just say how it works. So tap on the second video. Now let's extract the audio. So you can see the audio has been extracted. The audio for the second video. If you look at this top, you see a red line at the top. That is the second video. Then if you look under, you will see audio, something that look like graph, right? It is the audio of the second video, not this first video. Please take notes. It is the audio of this red line at the top, not the audio of this main video. I hope you get the point. You just see it like this. You'll be thinking that the audio is for this video here. The audio is not for this video. It is for the overlay, the second video at the top. That is how it works. So let's move the play head here, where I'm not talking, which is this empty space here. Now let's move the play head here. This time let's split only the video because we are not dragging the audio this time. Split only the video. Now come to here. Before I start talking, that is before the graph. Tap on the video again, then split. So before we leave this section, we want to add text to this section, just a way to help us to mark this section that this is the section we want to delete. So come to tests, add tests, just put something like number 1. Now I've added the text. Go back to this arrow here where you see the audio. This is why I stop, right? And this is the text. Can you see the text at the top? So now this is why I stop. Let's continue. Coming back to here, tap on the video, split. Don't tap on the audio this time because we are not dragging and dropping. Some people find issues when they are dragging and dropping the audio. So come to the next, where you start talking. Before you start talking, tap on the video, then split. Come to tests, add tests, put it like 2. So let's go back to the audio graph. Now you can see I'm through with the editing. So it is now time to remove the unwanted parts. First of all, I will remove the audio. I don't want that anymore. You see, you can see that the whole audio has been disappeared. But don't worry, that is the audio of the video I duplicated. Next, I will delete this second video I overlay because that video serves as a guide to help me to edit my main video. So you can see I'm left with only one video, right? So how do I know where to delete? It is those parts I have marked. Right here you can see that I have marked this part and I have also marked this part. So this is the part I don't want and I want to delete. So I will come to this place here that says link. Right now it is off. Tap on it to on it. Then tap on this video I don't want, the clip I don't want, delete. Go to the next. Tap on this, delete. Now you can see that I have a clear video. You can play it to confirm, to see that it is really working just for the first time. Then when you are confident, then you can just go ahead to edit it like this, quick and easy. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.